Hello everyone, I'm back again to have you the world premiere from Lokithor. I will start unboxing our small new adventure. The Lokithor today is the Lokithor Jumpstarter J400. It's our latest edition. What does it offer? What is new? What is so special about it? Small, lightweight, compact, easy to use. With the Lokithor functions you're used from us. Light function still available. All the connections, they are here. Still as before. Perfectly made, highest quality. Of course, what you get with this is still the cable to charge. And still the strong, powerful Lokithor connection. Not only that, the strongest point is that you can still power any car you like and any diesel car with the maximum power you're used to. So no matter if it's small, the power is in your hand. As always, the instruction manual, full operational, clear for you. So nothing else at the moment better for you. Lokithor, the smallest force of thunder in your hand.